Okay, we got Logitech, which is obviously good. Okay, whatever. Anyways, this is the cheapest keyboard and mouse I could find. And it's gonna be my main keyboard and mouse. So, we bought it. Okay, let's unbox this thing. I obviously can't even test this because I don't have a PC. But we've got the Windows 10 key, so that's gonna be great, man. This is gonna be awesome. Anyways, the mouse, I've heard that it doesn't have a clicky feel, so I don't like that already. But yeah, okay. Let's just open this thing up. Get this tape off of here. Okay, I'll be back after I get some tape off or whatever. I'm trying to do this in one video, so actually, who cares? I'm gonna have to edit this anyway, because I'm gonna have to add background music. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so we got something. Get this thing off. There's the mouse. Oh yes, the click actually sounds pretty good. Okay, never mind. I don't hate anything about this yet. Oh my gosh, the keyboard. That's gonna be pretty hard to get out, isn't it? This is probably a bad idea, but it's not a bad idea to me. Okay, this keyboard feels really, really thin, which is actually it's a good thing now that I think of it. Okay. Ow, that hurts a lot. That hurts. I'll be back. Okay. We got that. Both of these are USB. Obviously, I got wired because yeah. Let's see how this feels. This is a membrane keyboard. You have to be kidding me. Not better than my mechanical keyboard. This is the thing I came for mostly was the mouse, which is just my normal Logitech mouse, except it's now wired, and it should perform slightly better. And it takes up a USB port, but whatever. This keyboard though, not gonna lie though, this keyboard's pretty nice. You see, we got a print screen button. And it's very easy to smash. Really good. I like that. We got pretty good keys and stuff. So, yeah, we can tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got indicator lights here, as you can see. I obviously can't test this because I don't have a PC. So, yeah, that's what we got at the Computer Plaza. So, yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. That's seriously the end of the video. I couldn't test this. I'll do a video later testing both of these when, like, I don't know when that'll come out. I don't know. But, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye. Oh man, I bought a keyboard and a mouse, but I can't even test it because I don't have a PC. Well, I guess this is a teaser video now.